Brayden? Are you helping Mom put away groceries? You helping? What are you getting? Thank you so much. Everything look good? Everything in its place? I think you can leave it. That looks good there. Good boy. You shut in the drawer? Oh, you just get your fingers. You're doing a good job. Okay, ready? Shut the drawer. Say, good job, Brayden. Thank you, Bob. Thank you. All right, let's go play. Let's go play. Say bye, camera. Oops. Say bye, camera.